Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can activate Saily eSIM. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the application from Google Play Store or the App Store. And basically inside, it's extremely simple. You then want to go ahead and choose your plan. So unfortunately in my device, it does not support eSIMs, but to break it all down, you want to choose your plan after downloading or installing the Saily application. Select the country you're traveling to and pick a data plan that suits your needs. For example, there's going to be something like unlimited calls or 50 gigabytes of data. From there, you then want to go ahead and install the eSIM. You want to follow the instructions within the application to install your eSIM. You may be prompted to allow the app to access your device eSIM settings. So you want to go ahead and make sure that you allow Saily for those permissions. From there, the Saily eSIM will automatically activate when you arrive at your chosen destination, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.